Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, doing such a reset will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set on your phone that you just don't know. Maybe your child set it up, or whatever the case may be, this should get rid of it. Now, typically this will also mean that your device most likely becomes FRP locked after the reset, and what that entails is that when you're going to the setup, you will need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that was logged in on the device prior to the reset. So just kind of want to clarify this. Anyway, so to get started with the restart or reset, you can do that from a lock screen if you have one that you don't know. And all you need to do in both cases is just hold your power button. Yes, here, wait, let me quickly check. Okay, so it's not power button. Which one is it? Power button and volume up. And from here, select power off. And when the device turns off, again, hold power button and volume up again. And when you see the Hello Moto on the screen, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till the recovery mode shows up. Once you see it, you can let go of the volume up, and then using either volume down or up to navigate respectively, you want to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it using your power button, then select factory data reset the same way, and you can see data wipe complete should be the last entry, which shows up pretty quickly, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to initiate reboot. This will continue resetting your device in the background, and once it's completed doing so, you will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.